This is Alam Vijay Singh snoring. He says he never snores, but look at the intensity of his snores. This is Suryansh, his roommate, making fun. This is another funny joker, Mr. Deepan. And this is the cameraman.